Who is the most dangerous person that you're ever listened to? It's not your ex. It's not your parents. It's not your boss. It certainly isn't social media. It's you. Because nobody talks to you more than you do. From the moment you wake up in the morning to the moment that you fall asleep, there's a voice constantly in your head. And that voice is either building your future or quietly destroying it. I know, because mine almost destroyed mine for years. My voice sounded like this: you've already screwed up your entire life. You're never going to change. Look at your life. You're too old to start over. Who in the heck do you think that you are? Who do you think is going to listen to you? Maybe that voice in your head sounds familiar to that. I'm too fat. I'm too broke. Too old. I'm just too damaged. Made too many mistakes. Here's what finally hit me though. Just because I think something doesn't make it true. I believed I could not lose the weight. I've lost 75 pounds. I believed my health would never improve, always get worse. Today I walk every day, 7 days a week. I believe the best part of my life was behind me. I got married recently. I'm building a community of hundreds of thousands of people of starting over at 57. Right here, you found it. None of that happened because my life got easier. Hell no. Happened because I stopped believing all that negative BS that crossed my mind. Think about this. If your best friend came to you and said, I'm a failure, my life is over, I'm too old, would you just go, of course you are, let's go get a beer? Of course you wouldn't. So why do you say that stuff to yourself? Why do we give yourself less grace than somebody else? Even a complete stranger gets more grace. Truth is, your mind is like a garden. Whatever you water grows. If you water fear, guess what's going to grow? If you water your excuses, you know what's going to grow. If you water hope, action, discipline, love, gratitude, that's going to grow too. I'm not telling you to lie to yourself. I'm telling you to stop lying against yourself. If you're overweight, say, I'm working on it. I know I'm overweight. If you're broke, say, I'm learning. I got to put some money away. If your heart is broken, say, I'm healing. That's honest. Honest gives you somewhere to go. So today, pay attention to the voice in your head. The most dangerous person that you will ever listen to is also the one with the greatest power to change your life. Make sure that voice starts becoming your coach instead of your critic. Because the conversation that you have with yourself today becomes the life you lead tomorrow. I appreciate you guys watching. My name is Eric Hobaugh. You found my channel, Starting Over at 57. I'm an accountability coach and I help people start over, mostly Gen X and others. I do weekly accountability calls, some daily texting if that's what you need, or just informal weekly calls. It's a lot less expensive than you think. Appreciate you guys watching. Remember, you got to get up every single day for the rest of your life. and do one thing and get you closer to your dreams. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.